We have Ankit today. Ankit is a senior manager marketing with a large real estate company. Ankit, I would like to understand from you, what is your overall experience with respect to this program which we have done?
See, to be honest, I didn't knew stocks nothing. I was actually waiting for a hand rolling thing. However, I've seen a lot of programs, curriculum, but it could not initiate. And I was fortunate enough, I would say, that this course, this program has given me an way where you can generate your second income.
Okay.
And there's a huge difference in terms of understanding. Previously nothing was known to me for stock world. ये होता क्या है, people generally recommend stock P अच्छा होना चाहिए, P ratio देख लिया करो, P peg
Hmm.
ratio देख लिया करो. But अब now when people give recommendation कि
Hmm.
अच्छा ये वाला खरीद लो, कोई बोल दिया, टिप दे दिया ऑफिस में. It is simple यार. With your learnings, what you've learned from this fantastic course, simply apply those and you can take a call on your tip also. माने very double check हो जाता.
And Ankit, अगर मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँ कि what is the major difference before and after this course, which you feel you have got?
There's a huge difference. Well, there's no comparison to the difference, honestly speaking. There's no comparison. मैं stock करना चाहता था, I wanted to do,
Hmm.
and now I think I know everything.
Okay.
I would say I know most of the tricks.
Hmm.
आज के तारीख में what you can know to start a trade, to take a trade.
Right, right. In fact, I'm pretty sure that you, at least if somebody recommend you something कि ये वाला stock खरीद लो, you will not blindly go behind it. You will
Never.
definitely
In
do
fact,
your due diligence. Yeah.
in fact, I तो I ask बस कुछ बताओ मेरे को, then I verify. बस तू
Hmm.
गलत बोल रहा है यार,
Correct.
this is not. ये कर लो. In fact, I have suggested people कि बस ये not applied this, apply this here.
Okay, Ankit, last question to you. Do you recommend this program, this mentorship program to others? And if yes, then why?
Without any say, without any say. This is not a question you should ask me. I think I would be the first one. I think we should go and say, boss, if you want to learn, go with this program, because the kind of detailing you do, hand holding you do, by sharing the screen, showing the systems as well, by implementing A indicators and this stuff, which is actually nice. None of the courses would do
Okay.
such small detailing.
Okay. So can I say this is 100% paisa vasool?
अरे 200% more than that.
200%.
Come on.
Okay.
If you forget about the returns, in last three months, I've already traded what you have recommended accordingly. The course fees is already recommended, recovered. But the learning what you have given is immense.
Thank you, Ankit. Thank you.